The concept of account sharing isn't new. We see it with Netflix, Spotify, and countless other platforms. For personal productivity tools, it feels like a natural extension. Imagine you and your roommate, both recent graduates, needing professional resumes. One kickresume account, access to all those templates, the AI writer, the ATS checker. It sounds like a dream, right? Or perhaps you're helping a family member who isn't tech-savvy, and managing their resume creation from your own account seems like the path of least resistance. The convenience factor is undeniable. No need for multiple subscriptions, no juggling different logins, just one central hub for all your resume building needs. But the reality of account sharing, especially with tools designed for individual professional development, is often more complex than it appears on the surface. While the allure of convenience and cost saving is strong, there are crucial aspects to consider that go beyond simply sharing a password. We need to think about the terms of service, the functionality of the platform when multiple users are involved, data privacy, and the overall impact on the effectiveness of your job search documents. So, let's dive into the specifics of kickresume. At its core, kickresume is a powerful online tool designed to help individuals create professional resumes, cover letters, and even personal websites. It offers a wide array of templates, an AI writing assistant, an ATS, applicant tracking system, checker, and various other features aimed at optimizing your job application materials. The platform is built around a single user's career journey, from crafting their first resume to applying for jobs and even exploring career paths. When you sign up for a kickresume account, whether it's the free version or a premium subscription, you're essentially creating a personal workspace. This workspace is where your individual resume data, cover letters, and any other documents you create are stored. The entire interface and workflow are tailored for one person to manage their unique professional profile. Now, let's address the burning question. Can two people technically use one kickresume account? In a purely logistical sense, yes, two people could theoretically log into the same account using the same credentials. You could both access the dashboard, create documents, and utilize the features. However, can does not always equate to should, especially when we consider the implications. First and foremost, the kickresume terms of use typically outline how an account is meant to be used. While the exact wording might vary, most individual-focused SaaS platforms stipulate that an account is intended for use by a single user. Sharing an account with another person usually constitutes a violation of these terms. Why is this important? Because violating terms of service can lead to your account being suspended or even terminated without a refund. Imagine you're in the middle of a crucial job application and suddenly you lose access to all your carefully crafted documents because of an account sharing violation. That's a nightmare scenario no one wants to experience. Beyond the legalities, consider the practical challenges. kickresume's design, like many personal productivity tools, is optimized for a single user's data and workflow. If two people are simultaneously trying to create and edit different resumes within the same account, it can quickly become a chaotic mess. You might accidentally overwrite each other's work or pull information from the wrong profile into a new document. For example, if you both start using the AI writer, whose job title and experience will it be pulling from to generate content? The system isn't designed to differentiate between two distinct professional identities within a single account. Think about the My Documents section. This is where all your resumes, cover letters, and websites are stored. If two people are using the same account, this section will become a jumble of documents belonging to different individuals. Keeping track of whose resume is whose, ensuring the correct contact information is on each document, and making sure you're applying with your resume and not your friends would be an administrative headache. It significantly increases the risk of errors, which can be detrimental in a competitive job market. Imagine submitting a resume with someone else's phone number or email address. That's a quick way to miss out on an interview opportunity. Furthermore, features like the ATS checker and the AI writer are designed to provide personalized feedback and content based on a single user's profile and target job. If the account contains data from two different individuals, the AI suggestions and the ATS checker's analysis could become muddled and less effective for either person. The power of these tools lies in their ability to tailor content and provide relevant insights for a specific individual's career goals. Sharing an account dilutes this personalized experience, potentially making the very features you signed up for less useful. What about data privacy? When you create a resume, you're inputting a significant amount of personal and professional information. Your full name, contact details, work history, education, skills, and sometimes even sensitive information like past salaries or professional references. If two people are sharing an account, they both have access to this potentially sensitive data. While you might trust the person you're sharing with, it introduces a vulnerability. It's always best practice to maintain control over your own personal data, especially when it comes to something as critical as your job application materials. Now, kickresume does offer some features that might initially seem like they support sharing, such as the ability to give premium vouchers to friends when you opt for certain subscription plans. This is a crucial distinction. These vouchers are designed to provide separate premium access to individual friends, allowing them to create their own distinct accounts with premium features. This is not the same as two people directly sharing one account and logging in simultaneously. It's a way for kickresume to encourage referrals and extend the benefits of their service to a wider audience, all while maintaining the integrity of individual user accounts. So, while the temptation to share a kickresume account might be strong for reasons of convenience or cost saving, it's generally not advisable. The platform is built for individual use, and attempting to force a shared model can lead to violations of terms of service, practical complications in managing documents, diluted effectiveness of personalized features, and potential data privacy concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.